Hey beauties, it's Michelle here at Model Rock and welcome back to our blog. Let's be real, not everyone wants to spend 30 minutes to an hour getting ready to do their everyday makeup. So we've put together a list of pro tips on how to condense your everyday makeup routine and to do it in 10 minutes or less. Now, if you want to see an in-depth tutorial on how to apply makeup for beginners, head over to our other blog, which we'll link down below. But if you just want to know some little tips and tricks, keep on watching. Our first tip is to keep your go-to products close at hand. To speed up your makeup routine, have your go-to products in an easy to access spot. Your everyday items should be within reach. This will eliminate the need to go through any drawers or makeup bags and trying to locate and search for certain products. We recommend reading one of our earlier blogs, which is how to organize your makeup station at home. We have some recommendations on how you can store all your products in easy to locate spots and to keep everything neat and tidy. Second of all, but I believe is the most important step, is to look after your skin. Skincare and skin prep is the most important part of makeup application. Think of your face as a blank canvas to paint on. So starting with a prepped and primed face will make application for makeup much easier. This will also eliminate any extra time in needing to perfect your base if you do have a good starting point. To keep your skin clean and clear, we recommend cleansing daily. For cleansing, try one of our Skin Essentials range products. They're absolutely amazing for all your makeup removal needs. Also use a hydrating cream or moisturizer every morning before you apply your makeup and every night to keep your skin nice and hydrated. So now that your canvas is ready, it's time to ace your base. If you want a speedy foundation application with a skin-like finish, try our base maker sponges. So to prepare your sponges for foundation or BB cream application, you want to dampen them. Here's one I prepared earlier. This one is completely dry and this one has been put under lukewarm water for 30 seconds and I squeezed out the excess water. You want to use your sponge damp, not soaking though, so just damp to the touch. As you can see, it's expanded in size once wet. This will apply your product absolutely flawlessly. The great thing about the base maker is you can really customize your finish and coverage, so you can go for a light, nice, natural base or add more product and build it up to a full coverage finish without looking cakey. Just make sure to clean your sponges after every use as well. Now, I've attached a link on how to clean your makeup sponges if you don't know how to do so. We are all about speeding up and simplifying our everyday makeup routine. I highly recommend trying out multi-use products. Select products that can be used for multiple steps in the makeup application. This will eliminate the need for any extra or excessive amount of products. We're just keeping our essential makeup condensed. For example, did you know that you can use our Forever Mattes lipstick as a cream blush? Our favorite multitasking products are palettes. My personal favorite is the Hot and Snatched palette. This is coming soon. I absolutely love this. It contains 6 beautiful and buildable diverse shades, as you can see. These shades can be worn alone or you can customize them, mix and match them for a beautiful customized blend. This palette contains 1 bronzer, it contains 2 highlighters and 3 blush shades. This shade down here is called Soft Orchid and this is my all-time favorite blush now. I highly recommend. So not only can these be used to bronze, blush and highlight, but you can dip into these shades as well to create an eyeshadow look. The ultimate multitasking product. Let me know in the comments which shade is calling your name, because when I first saw this, Soft Orchid, and I just knew straight away, this is a game changer. So that is it for today's blog and video. We hope you enjoyed listening to our tips and tricks on how to condense your everyday makeup routine. Let us know in the comments below what are some of your favorite pro tips on how to speed up the makeup process. We'd love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll talk soon.